So you want to make AI effective? Let me show you how. What is the one thing businesses need to do when they get up and rolling is start selling yesterday. So how are we going to do that? Let's take a look at the prospector. Now when you're prospecting, you don't need a full-blown CRM. You just need information and a lot of them, right? You don't need details if they're not a customer yet or if they're ever going to respond. So let's prospect quickly and then we can convert them to a lead later. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to create a new prospect over here. We're going to say Derek Riley, and we're going to go boom, boom, boom. Oh, I got to go back to my scenes in a sec. I switched it with that key. All right, so Derek Riley, and now I have Derek at Riley's Roofing.com. And if you're in Colorado, you need a roofing company, call these guys. Top notch, all right? Company name, Riley's Roofing. Commercial or residential? Commercial and residential roofing. Okay, we're going to create that prospect. Make sure you give Riley's Roofing a shout. Awesome crew, awesome guys. Now I want to generate an approach to reach out to Derek based on my products and services. How am I going to do that? Well, Derek is very amiable. He is pretty analytical. But at the end of the day, he's a driver. He wants to go to work, get shit done, boom, boom, boom. He's not there to mess around, all right? So we're going to drag and drop BizRise.io and see what the AI will say about, hey, how can BizRise.io optimize a process for a roofing company? Let's see. Derek, saw Riley's Roofing is making waves. So mention a project. They got a lot of cool big like apartment complex jobs and like awesome pictures on their website. So grab one of those, right? We help ambitious businesses like yours leverage cutting edge tech and AI to drive more growth. Here's how we can help you specifically. Let's see what it says. Diagnostics, analyze your operations. I mean, you can put up an AI like that. We know every roofing business is unique. We provide one-on-one consulting to craft a strategy so we can do a specific tailored marketing campaign. Consider us your dedicated tech and AI partners. So it's not going too deep into what we do, but saying, hey, this is how we can help you, all right? So all I'm going to do here is save the approach. And if I ever want to go back and check under approaches, it's going to be there for Riley. So if he responds to this or that works, we'll keep going with driver. If not, we'll maybe try something else and see how that goes. But that is how you can use AI to optimize the prospecting process for your business. Because again, when you're prospecting, you don't need a full CRM, but you do need to keep track of what your prospecting efforts are. So you can go back and kind of revisit and see what's working, what's not, and optimize the process with AI. And that is the prospector of BizRise.io.